If you're doing Amazon merch and not using AI, you're already falling behind. Since I've made the switch to AI in December 2022, my sales exploded. Let me show you exactly why AI is no longer optional. It's essential. So reason number 1, it saves you a lot of time. What used to take me at least a week and a lot of help from virtual assistants now only takes me about 2 days all by myself. With the heavy use of AI, I managed to do my complete workflow of researching niches, generating phrases, prompts and designs in just about 2 days. So how does using AI save you so much time? AI can generate hundreds of ideas in seconds, so you have no more creative block. You got nearly instant design creation with tools like Ideogram, Flux One or Midjourney. AI writes titles, descriptions, bullet points in seconds. Either use an app like ChatGPT or create your own GPT inside of it. Next you got background removal, resizing, upscaling. These tasks are all automated thanks to AI. Reason number 2, you're much more efficient. I used to jump between endless tabs for research, spreadsheets, design tools and translators. Now I basically just use a few tools for my complete workflow. Now here's just one example. Instead of wasting hundreds of hours for research, I use the powerful AI research tab that's integrated into Flying Research. So what makes AI so much more efficient? Now you only have a few tools to work with, not like tool after tool. You can batch process designs. That means generating, upscaling, formatting and compressing all in just one sitting and all in batches. The AI doesn't get tired, distracted or needs breaks. And that's just perfect for scaling your business. You get better output faster with less tools and fewer inputs, which helps you easily streamlining your process. Reason number 3, it saves you a lot of money. When I started out back in 2019, I spent hundreds on freelancers just for basic designs. Now with AI, I can create even better designs for just a fraction of that money and in just minutes. So how does using AI save you so much money? Well, AI tools replace expensive designers, researchers and VAs for listings. Midjourney, Ideogram, ChatGPT and others offer incredible value, often starting with a free or really affordable plan. One single monthly subscription to an AI tool can save you hundreds you'd spend on freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork. So now you don't need a huge team to scale. Just one person with the right AI tools. Reason number 4, you don't have to deal with a lot of VAs. VA stands for virtual assistants. That means freelancers that you can hire from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. So in my peak times, I actually had 7 VAs simultaneously working for me. 2 for research, 3 for crafting the designs, and 2 for writing the listings. Managing them felt like a full-time job. Now AI does the work of all 7. And let me tell you, it's really not easy handling that many VAs while working a full-time day job. So what are the advantages of using AI over hiring a VA? Of course, you don't need to train or manage people. AI is consistent and basically instant. AI never calls in sick, misses deadlines or miscommunicates. Tools like ChatGPT can write listings, come up with niches, and even format your CSV files. Then of course you also got the merge-specific AI tools like Flying Research. So overall you got less human error, and that means you got a more streamlined, scalable workflow. Reason number 5, you can automate your business easily. Imagine waking up, checking your dashboard, and seeing new products live, all thanks to your AI pipeline running in the background. So tools like ChatGPT and Flying Research can automate niche research and phrase generation. The AI can follow fixed rules for picking keywords and writing your listing, ensuring consistency and always following Amazon's rules. So it's great for solopreneurs. The AI acts basically like a 24/7 virtual team. Reason number 6, it helps you compete in a saturated market. Yeah, well, basically everyone complains that merch is too saturated and too competitive. And by the way, I heard that complaint since I've started back in 2019. But the top sellers aren't working harder. They're working smarter with AI. So how does AI help you compete in a saturated market? AI lets you quickly test new niches, styles and trends. You can generate unique designs that stand out from copied or overused ideas. Fast turnaround time means you can catch trends early. And of course profits. So AI helps you outpace slow manual sellers. Reason number 7, it unlocks creative possibilities you couldn't do manually. So when I started on Amazon Merch, there was this brand and this seller that's called Lieke. Don't really know if it's pronounced like that. But basically he created the most awesome graphic only designs that you could get on Amazon Merch. Back then it was really expensive to do the same. You would basically have to pay hundreds of dollars to an illustrator to get designs like that. Now it's easier and cheaper than ever to create these awesome designs in an instant. Also, with AI, there are basically no limits. Try generating a design that combines a cat, a samurai, and a banana. A design like that can be generated in an instant with Ideogram. So here's the moral of the story. The AI allows you to experiment fearlessly. There's basically no extra cost per attempt. You can mix ideas, mash up styles, and push boundaries with every prompt. Phrase generators like the one from Flying Research gives you wordplay, puns, emotional hooks, and trends instantly. Well, it basically opens up niches you never considered and turns weird ideas into viral hits. Want to see a beginner-friendly video on how to use Ideogram to generate awesome print-on-demand designs? Then check out this video right here.